Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful heart. Now this actual heart was from Hobbycraft and was half price, and it was only £2.50, so I thought that was such a bargain I had to create something with it, as I have done here. If you're new to my channel, I've got lots of different projects on there with hearts and sticks and twigs, so if you want to check that out after the video, then you're free to do so. If you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember that you can do these for different seasons of the year, so you can have spring, summer, autumn and winter, and you could add ivy or crystals or baubles at winter time. If you like the video, give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.